Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap get started. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can keep backup data from your previous phone. If you want to do it, just tap keep your apps and data, or you can just set up device as new. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, you have the chance to disable them, but in any case you will have to agree with Google's terms of service, and that's it. In the next step, you have to set up your date and time. Then you can enter your device's name. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can do this also in settings later. Then you can set up anything else. You can add another email account, review additional apps, or you can do this later. And that's it. Device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.